video is a continuation of our discussion on how to plot graph using the Testdriller ChatBot. So this time around, we're going to be considering cases where you want to plot two or more equations on the same graph. So we're going to discuss that. So let's get into it. So these are two scenarios you might encounter. So you may encounter the following scenario. So you may have a case where you want to plot this kind of graph. So let's say you have a case where y equals 3x squared minus 4x. Then you have plus 1. And you also want to plot this on the same graph where you have 5x plus 20. And let's say we're interested in a case where, the range of x in this case is from minus 5, let's say, to 6. So it's something like this. It's as if you're looking for something like this. This is the kind of graph we are talking about, right? Where you have a curve, a quadratic curve and a straight line, right? So how do we plot this? Note that this particular scenario is a scenario where for both graphs, the starting point of x is minus 5 and the ending point is plus 6. So they have the same starting point and ending point. So this is the first scenario. So we're going to talk about another scenario, but let's solve this scenario. So how do you plot this on using the Testdriller ChatBot? So let's take a look at how to achieve this. So the first one you do is to click on the chart icon. The second thing is to click on the submap problems. You go to where you have graph equations, you click on send, then you type. So here I want to type the first equation, which is y equals to, here we have 3x raised to the power of 2, then plot, we have minus 4x. Then the next thing that follows is plus 1, right? Then the next thing we do is to end with a colon. By specifying that, by typing a colon, you are saying you are done with that equation. Then you type the equation, the second equation, just type it exactly like the way you type the other one. So y equals, this time around, this is y equals 5x. Then here you have plus 20, right? Then you are done by using semicolon. Then the next thing I want to do is to specify the range of x. Just say from minus 5 to plus 6. And that's all. Then you click on the send icon. Once you click on the send icon, you wait for a few seconds, then the results will be presented to you. So this is the plot of two equations on the same graph, such that they have the same starting point and ending point. So mind you can always share your graph. If you want to share, you can click and share on any social media platform that you want.